Airfi was created in the harshest of conditions, where the temperatures range from -50 degrees to more than 100 degrees. You guessed it, in Finland. Because the units were designed to work in extreme conditions, they work in any conditions. We strive to be the most environmentally conscious, technological forerunner in the industry. We build our units to be as energy efficient as possible. We will continue our efforts to always stay one step ahead.
We haven't built on top of old technology. We started from scratch.
Our products have been designed together with our clients to make sure the units suit their needs perfectly. That's why our products are so unique in the industry. Unique how, you ask? Here's how. Airfi's product can be easily connected to any other units. You no longer need dozens of different kinds of connecting pieces or equipment for different uses. Our units are the quickest and easiest to install and service, which saves our customers time and money. With Airfi, airflow is consistent in all weather conditions, and no preheater is needed. When the outdoor temperature drops below zero, our technology enables the exhaust air to drop below zero. Our units are not phased by hoarfrost either. Our algorithms make sure they work in all conditions. I am, like many others, concerned about the environment and try to do my best to protect it. Lately, I have realized that by far the best thing we can do is to sell as many of our energy-efficient units as possible.
Works in any environment, for the environment.